Welcome to the channel. I'm Travis, and today we're going to show you all of the tools and recovery gear that we carry with us on our truck on the Pan American Highway.
So this is us, and this is what we're doing. We custom built this four-wheel camper to live in full time, and we're taking it on the Pan American Highway. We quit our jobs and a comfortable life in Canada to find adventure and meaning. Journey with us as we explore this giant world. We are Travis and Lindsay, and we are just traveling.
So right here we have all of the tools and all the recovery gear for the Pan American Highway. First thing we're going to go over is our Mastercraft set, 184 pieces of sockets, socket wrenches, hex pieces, even screwdrivers. This is my least favorite part as it's not magnetized and the bits kind of fall everywhere, but that's okay, gets the job done. We recently just built a custom Starlink mount with random pieces, and we use this to assemble it. It's great, we use it for everything. Next piece of kit we have is our tire changing kit, which comes with a torque wrench, breaker bar, and just about any kind of piece you need to take off wheel lugs. We've obviously have to do tire rotations while driving tens of thousands of kilometers, and it's been very handy. Some other useful pieces of kit we have are some dewalt 20-volt impact drivers and a drill, combined with some drill pieces that we've had to use frequently. For example, the Starlink mount that we just built. Our bag here full of random tools, tin snips, vice grips, hammers, tape measure, voltmeter, just a bunch of random gear, including spare parts and numerous wrenches. We just have a lot of different gear for any situation that could happen. Some general maintenance stuff that we have fuel filters with us for when we do our fuel changes, or our oil changes rather. We can do them on ourselves. And we also have a grease gun, as there's 4 or 5 grease points on the axle, as well as our control arms both have 2 grease points. To go along with our tire rotations, we obviously need a jack of some sort and some jack stands. So for jack stands, we just have these Motorola 2.5 ton jack stands, easy to use, as well as this 12 ton bottle jack. Previously we had a scissor jack. We picked that because weight is an issue, especially with such a small truck. We wanted something as small as we could, but that jack ended up failing on us, and we had to buy this a couple months ago on the road after it broke and almost squished me. So this is the recovery gear we have on the truck. First things first, we have a set of pretty heavy duty jumper cables, which is something everyone should have. We actually came into a situation where we had to flag someone down off the road in Florida because our battery had died. Maxtrax, very handy piece of kit. We generally use it for leveling out our vehicle, but there has been a situation in Arizona where we got stuck in the mud and the rain, and we had to get ourselves out. On the topic of self-recovery, we also have a 12,000 pound Smittybilt XRC winch. And here we have the controller for the winch, simple toggle switch of spool out, spool in, super easy. Also for the winch, we have a snatch block, a pulley reductor for recovery, as well as a D-ring to go along with the winch. And that is all of the gear we have. Hopefully it's all we need. Fingers crossed. So let us know what you bring on road trips. Do we have too much? Do we have not enough? Is there something we're missing? What is one special piece of kit that you like to have? Let us know in the comments. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you.